Entry offers are one of the most crucial steps in your value ladder. After your audience has downloaded your freebie and you've nurtured them through that first step, it's time to introduce your first paid offer. But here's the catch. Your first paid offer should not be expensive. We're talking about low-ticket products, typically priced between $19 and $97. These offers are designed to make it easy for your audience to say yes and start investing in their journey with you. In this video, I'm going to break down what entry offers are, why they matter, and how to use them to start generating revenue and move people along your value ladder. What are entry offers? An entry offer is typically your first paid offer after your freebie. It's an affordable product or service that provides value, introduces your audience to the next level of transformation, and makes them comfortable enough to invest in something more substantial. Think of it as the next step after your freebie. Your audience has already engaged with your free offer, and now they're ready to take action by paying a small amount to continue receiving value from you. Why entry offers matter? Entry offers are a critical component of your value ladder because they 1. Help you monetize your audience. Once you've given away your freebie, the entry offer is your chance to start turning your leads into paying customers. Without a low-ticket entry offer, your audience may stay in the just browsing phase forever. 2. Build trust and credibility. When people purchase from you for the first time, they are investing in your expertise and seeing the value you provide. This small investment builds trust and confidence in your ability to deliver more value in future offers. 3. Prepare your audience for higher ticket offers. The goal of an entry offer is to transition your customers up the value ladder. After someone purchases your entry offer, they are much more likely to invest in your mid-ticket and high-ticket products because they've already seen results from your offers and trust your brand. 4. Increase your lifetime customer value. Every time someone buys an entry-level product, they're committing to their journey with you. This creates a longer-term relationship that leads to future sales. What makes a good entry offer? A great entry offer should be 1. Affordable. Entry offers are low-ticket products, typically priced between $19 and $97. The goal is to make it easy for your audience to say yes without feeling like they're making a huge financial commitment. 2. Actionable. The offer should solve a problem or provide a quick win for your audience. It's about giving them immediate, actionable value that makes them feel like their investment was worthwhile. Examples of entry offers. OA mini course that provides a step-by-step guide to solving a specific problem. OA, downloadable template or worksheet that helps them take action on something they've learned. OA, one-time coaching session or consultation at a lower price point. 3. Aligned with your free offer. Your entry offer should be a natural extension of your freebie. It should offer more value or a deeper solution to the problem your freebie addresses. This way, your audience feels like they're progressing and not jumping to something completely different. How to create your entry offer. Creating a highly effective entry offer is all about making sure it provides clear value and is an easy investment for your audience. Here's how to create an offer that converts. 1. Identify your audience's pain points. Before you create your entry offer, you need to understand what problem your audience is trying to solve. This could be, overwhelmed with the idea of starting a business? Create a mini course on the basics of setting up an online business. Struggling to grow their Instagram following? Offer a guide or template for creating engaging Instagram content. 2. The goal is to create something that addresses their pain point and provides immediate value. 3. Keep it simple. Your entry offer should not be overwhelming. Focus on one problem and offer a simple, actionable solution. If it's too complex, your audience might feel like it's too much work for the price. Keep it easy to consume, whether that's a short course, a checklist, or a guide. 4. Use a low-price trial. To make it even easier for your audience to commit, consider offering your entry offer at a lower price than its value. This creates a no-brainer offer that they're more likely to purchase. For example, regular price, $50, discounted price, $27 for a limited time. 5. This strategy makes your audience feel like they're getting a deal while still paying for value. 6. Deliver on your promise. Make sure that the entry offer delivers on the promise you made. Whether it's a mini course, a template, or a consultation, the product should solve a problem and provide immediate value. This will leave your audience satisfied and more likely to purchase from you again. How to promote your entry offer. Once you've created your entry offer, you need to start promoting it. Here are a few ways to do that. 1. Leverage your freebie. Your entry offer should be a natural next step after your freebie. When someone downloads your free offer, use a follow-up email or thank you page to promote your entry offer. You can also include a discount code or exclusive offer for those who've already engaged with your free content. 2. Use social media posts about your entry offer regularly. Share how it solves a problem and provides value. Use Instagram stories, reels, and posts to remind your audience to grab your entry offer. Don't assume they'll find it on their own. Actively promote it across your platforms. 3. Offer bonuses or urgency. People love bonuses. Consider adding something extra, like an exclusive resource or a limited-time discount. This creates a sense of urgency and gives your audience a reason to purchase now. Final tip. Creating a great entry offer isn't about trying to sell something expensive or complex. It's about providing immediate value in a simple, actionable way that gets your audience excited to continue their journey with you. By offering an entry-level product, you create an easy, low-risk way for your audience to say yes to you. And by leading them up the ladder from there, you build a long-term, profitable relationship. Remember, entry offers are about making it easy for your audience to get started and taking that first step toward their transformation. Once they trust you with a smaller investment, they'll be more likely to continue moving up the ladder and invest in your higher ticket offers.